Hey guys, how you doing? Josiah back with another video, and let's keep it straight and to the point. I wanted to do a video showing you guys how much money I got from TikTok, from the Creator Fund, TikTok Creator Fund, in a month's time. So I was literally just waiting until the month was done, from when I joined the Creator Fund up until a month had passed, and it's been that time now. So let's get into it. I'm gonna tell you guys exactly how much it is. I've got the screenshots because obviously I use my phone to record, and I just sent the screenshots to my computer, so I can tell you guys that after a month I earned £13.93. Okay, it's not something that I'd be able to quit my job for, but it's money I make from making 15 to 60 second videos that I'd be making anyway, I guess, because I still do enjoy making TikToks, right? So yeah, that's how much they paid me in a month. Now, of course, that information by itself I don't think is quite enough. So how did I get to that amount of money? So I'm gonna just show you my analytics now, which I've got up on the screen, which just shows my engagement for the past 28 days, okay? So it's not exactly from the 11th to the 11th like I'm doing now, but it will be able to give you a good indication of how I got to that number of £13 and what was it? 93 pence. So yeah, for engagement, video views, we've got 628,000 views. So, you know, not in the millions by any means, but it's more than half a million views in a month. And profile views, we've got 15.6k, likes 95.4k, comments 3,000 something, and shares we've got 7,000. So straight off the bat I can tell you, in terms of the views to money ratio compared to YouTube, for example, it's a lot less, but I'm sure that many of you won't be surprised by that. So yeah, I mean, the money is nice to have at the end of the day. Like, what can I get? I can get 3 meal deals with that amount. So, you know, that's that's something nice. And, you know, it's just money in the back pocket. Hope this helps if you were looking to become a TikTok creator, or if you wanted to get involved with the Creator Fund. Just know that the weight of TikTok followers and numbers don't quite add up when compared to YouTube. I mean, with Instagram I don't know, because I think Instagram is mainly just sponsored stuff. I don't really see that many people getting sponsors on TikTok, to be honest, but I have seen certain people get it, and I don't know how much they're actually getting paid for that, but I'm sure it's probably going to be a lot less. But yeah, I hope this video helped. This is probably going to be the last video I do on TikTok for a while. I know some of you are like, thank God this guy can stop talking about TikTok. If you enjoyed this video, give me a like. Comment down below whether you're part of the TikTok Creator Fund or whether you're getting paid more than me. Who knows? I don't know. And subscribe for more videos. And that's about it, guys. Take care. See you soon for the next one.